Alright, so guys, this is the bathroom. Come in here. Here. There's my sink unit there. That's that one there. The inevitable self-portrait in the mirror. That's the standard port. Oh, I did have an obscure glass panel because I preferred the pretty colour stick-on paper. That's the storage on the side, under unit storage there. That's a Telford toilet. Funnily enough, it was cheaper than those swivelly things. Bigger cassette and more comfortable to sit on, I think. Anyway, that's that. That's going to be the switch to switch the toilet on and off if I ever need to. And so if I can get it in, where are we to? There we go. There's a shower. It's a 1200 by 900. Or 1200 by 800, sorry. Yeah, that's in full glass cabinet. The door opens up right back to the toilet. Like that, so you've got plenty of access in there. Ideal for disabled people, which they have a couple in the family, so it's going to be good for them. There's the shower head there. We've got two 5-watt downlighters going in, and I've got to cut a hole in the roof. Be doing that Monday. Got an engineer coming up to give me a hand to do it, so we're going to cut a hole in the roof there with a plasma cutter, so I'll video that and let you see what we do there. And that's basically the video. So that's the waste anyway. That's one waste there. And then obviously we got another waste here. Another P trap in. Goes down to the floor, comes into the box there, and then under the Telford toilet here, around about here, there's a venting breather pipe that exits through the floor. So I take it they must vent that out into the bilge, I suppose, which I didn't think too much of. So that pipe comes down, is going into the box down here, and the shower waste is coming in and going into the box there. Now a lot of you may say, oh, it's going to smell in the box. Well, it's not going to distribute anything into the box. So if I fill the cassette up, it's not going to come out the vent and into the box. It doesn't do that. It's just an air vent, so the contents of the toilet can't get in to the box. And that's a P trap there, so that there will stop any smells coming through. And we've got a proper P trap in this one as well, stops any smells coming through. And the floor is sealed to the top of the box, so there'll be no smell coming through into the bilge either. So that to me seemed to be the best scenario. Right, let's get this floor up. I'll just switch you off and I'll get you set up. Right then guys, the box is in. Here's the cables that we're looking at. That's where it sits. The shower waste I've pulled in over here. That's the shower waste, goes in over to there. I'll try not to dodge in front of the camera. That one here gets fitted up in under there, like that. Switch that one there over. Yep, that goes in under there. So that's good. First thing I've got to do is connect the pump outlet, which is a pipe here, which is this one here. This one here needs to go on to this one. Which is a bit of a sod. So I think I might end up having to take the actual box out. So I'm going to push the shower waste back out. There. Goes over there. first. Right then. Just go and look for some tools to do that with. Red on. Right, okay guys, back again. So we've got the pump outlet pipe fitted now to there. So now it's just a matter of sorting out fitting the pump onto there. Let's just make sure that I'm trying the right way. If it's not, that needs to go on like that. Goes in like that. This gets done up. This up. Push it right in. That's going there. Right, and that's that one in. So that sorts the pump out. I'm going to put a piece of double-sided taping under there, a little foam block, just to stop any vibration from the pump into the bilge. That should do that. That's that one there. So I think I'm going to be sort of climbing in front or on top of or over the camera, so you'll have to bear with me. So it's a matter of pulling him back. That's that one there, he's in. So that's that's that one. Have to open the door here. Just drop this into there. Connect that one up. That's that one. So that's all in line. Just a matter of tightening this one down. There. Just tighten that one up. And the water from the sink will go down through the sink straight into the bowl. That's good there. Then we'll do the vent for that's the vent for the toilet. Just a matter of obviously cutting holes in these tanks or inside the box for the tank is can be difficult. It's depending on what situation your pipes are coming in at. That's that one tight. That seals that one off. So any fumes from the toilet goes into there, water from there goes into there. Next one is the shower waste, which goes into here like that. Got the rubber seal on there, that's all okay. That's good there. Just need this one and the rubber seal. That's the shower waste fitting. That one there will go. Find it. Stick a spanner up there and push him up into place. And then it's just a matter of how it goes in there. A little drop of washing up liquid. spread this on this rubber. Like that. That's that one. Lift that one up, drop him on there. That one goes there. Can be a little bit awkward, I must admit it sometimes can be easy and it sometimes can be a right pain in the arse. Have we got him there? I'm not sure. Have we got him or not? No, we haven't. Being a bit of a devil. In the bum. Oh, come out. Why is it being a pain? It was all in line. Right, okay, looks like it's not going to play the game, so we're going to have to take them out, get him fitted, and then try and squeeze him in. There's a bit of a jiggle because you're trouble with a bolt is you're always dealing with tight spaces and you're just trying to get something in big as you can get in a limited space, so take that one off, push that one there out, lift that one out, we'll take this one, drop that one in there like that. More control over the angle of the waist fitting. Now it's in. That's that one in. That's that one good. Give that a bit of a clean off. Right, that's better. Right, try again, shall we? Under there. There he is. Back in there. That's that one there. Right. Let's go in. that one tight. That's that one in there. Choose this one. Goes in like that. All sat on the floor nicely. That's that one nice and tight. Last one, being connected. That one there. That's nice and tight there. So that's it. In place. Shower done. Toilet done, sink done. I just really wanted to show you what I'm using there, because there are some pretty, I've seen some pretty horrific things on the in different boats where this I didn't really want to go for, the other thing is I didn't really want to go for a gulper pump. Don't know what it is about that gulp gulp sort of noise that it makes. So I thought this can't be any simpler than it is. Automatic bilge pump there. When the water comes up to about this level here, it's pumping. This pumps, oh, I forget what it is now, 350, 500 litres a minute or second or whatever it is. Definitely plenty of power to pump the water out the shower there. And hand wash basin as well. If you fill the hand wash basin up twice, it still wouldn't fill that one up. So definitely enough to pump the water out there. So it goes, those wires have got to be connected. I've got to thread them through. This is the underside of the, clean up. This is the underside of the ply board here. You can see I've got rubber seals here that it's moved a little bit there. Rubber seals here that seal the top of the box so there's no smells coming out. This one can be, again, somewhat a pain in the ass then, but there he is, he's down. That's him in place. That's it. That seals him down. And that's him. Just need to wire it in. So, hope you enjoyed watching the video. I hope it's useful. And like I say, that you can do that with around about 100 quid. And it's a good solid system. There is one downfall on that. With the bilge pump, with the gulper, it's sort of like, it's a diaphragm pump. So it pumps water and then it pulls back on a valve and then it pumps water again, and so it's like spits the water out. With that system there, it pumps the water out, and it pumps it out at quite a fair old rate of knots. So when you're putting your skim fitting on the boat, and it's, let's say, towpath side, and you're having a shower in the morning and somebody's walking their dog, there's a very good chance you're going to get them absolutely soaking wet from the knees down. So it's a good idea just to put a baffle on the skim fitting. I'm 3D printing a baffle for mine, so instead of it shooting right across the towpath, because it's quite a powerful pump, there's a baffle there that will knock it 90 degrees down into the canal, because that can be a bit embarrassing if you get somebody absolutely soaking wet with your shower water. So that's the only downfall, or no, not a downfall, but the only thing you need to watch out with that sort of pump. It's a continuous pump, and it's quite high pressure pump, so make sure the water's not going straight across the towpath when you switch it on, when it's on, so when it's operating. So that'll be a thing to watch out for. Okay, right. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.